Hey DIY enthusiasts, home handy person and contractors. Here are 3 reasons why the M18 Fuel D-handle jigsaw is a must-have in your toolkit. First, it has unmatched power. Second, it has incredible precision. And third, it has remarkable durability. This saw promises all-day productivity thanks to its brushless motor and famous Milwaukee tool advanced battery technology, ensuring you can cut more with fewer breaks. Get yours today from Adams Building Supply in Woodstock and experience cutting-edge efficiency firsthand.